आज अच्छा आदमी का अभाव बहुत है। आप स्कूल जाते हैं, अच्छा टीचर नहीं है। आप डॉक्टर मेडिकल हॉस्पिटल जाते हैं, अच्छा डॉक्टर नहीं है। आप पार्लियामेंट जाते हैं, अच्छा पॉलिटिशियन नहीं है, लॉयर नहीं है। तो व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ? द पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ as per new education policy said to have quality human being. How to have quality human being? Quality education, ethical values, innovation and skillful development. If the education has no skill, no practical work, then the education is incomplete. And fourth aspect is holistic development. If you go through the 100 pages or recommendation of new education policy headed by Kasturi Ranjan and 87 people, they say our education is third rate because we are only giving certificate, degrees and big package. If my daughter has 30 lakhs package per year, your son has to have 50 lakhs. Otherwise, we are downgrade. No, that's not. Money can be required for everything. Money cannot be our master. Believe it. When you think money is your master, you are always become servant of the money. Everything we need money, but not money is everything in life. So feel yourself there's something better than money, that is humanity. So what is the religion we have? As a medical professional, our religion is humanism. Our temple is hospital and our God is patients. If I do service to my patient, there is nothing which can get better thing, blessing by the Lord Jagannath. Today what I do, I never neglected a patient. I operate nowadays only kids less than 1 year. Because there are so little pediatric neurosurgeon in the country, very little. Hardly 300 people in the world. Many surgery in Odisha not people don't do. So if the children are animals, not to be treated. So when we started Pediatric Neurosurgery Society of India in 1989, we are surprised that hardly anybody is doing pediatric neurosurgery. And children are the most neglected. We are talking of geriatric development, not pediatric. जिंदा रहेगा तो बूढ़ा होगा ना, तो बूढ़ा को पहले ट्रीट कर तो बच्चा क्या करेगा? So देखो, philosophy life all thing goes for old age, nothing for children. Is not correct? हम लोग सब बोलते हैं बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, और बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ, कुछ तो हो नहीं रहा है। नारा से काम नहीं होता है. We should not be hypocrites. As per Bhagavad Gita, hypocrisy is deluded intelligence. How many of you know Bhagavad Gita? Raise your hand. No. My grandfather Nanaji gave me in 1962 during my third ceremony, gave me Bhagavad Gita and say, if you want a good human being, read it. Of course, I never understood at the age of 11 years what is Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is not a religious book. It's a spiritual book. You say, what is religion or spiritualism? You know what is spiritualism? Defined by WHO? No. In 1948, when the world was completed, WHO started 7th April 1948. They had mandates. They say good health, vaccination, nutrition, public health, all this. And they did not include in good health, spiritual health. So in 1998, they have a committee of 55 countries to find out, is the world healthy? Are you healthy? No. Satyajugala people are more healthy. So what this committee said, that we have everything, physical health, mental health, maybe some poorly developed social health, but we don't have spiritual health. What is spiritual health? It's like blind people looking at the elephant. What is spiritual health? So they have a committee who defined, first know who am I? मैं कौन हूँ? बॉडी हो, माइंड हो, सोल हो, एक्स हो, वाई हो, तो मुझे जानना है मैं कौन है. व्हाट इज माय एम ऑफ द लाइफ? क्या जीवन में लक्ष्य है? पैसा, गाड़ी, मनी, लैंड? वी डोंट नो. व्हाट इज द वे टू अचीव योर गोल? सो पाथ क्या है, डेस्टिनेशन क्या है, एम ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है, हु आर यू, दिस इज व्हाट, एंड देन दे डिफाइन ईच ऑफ देम. So our spiritual health is bad. If you draw a triangle, our all thing is for physical health. अच्छा खाना है, अच्छा पीना है, जो खाना है खाओ, चिकन, मटन, बिरयानी जो खाओ. Okay. Mind, we don't bother too much. Meditation, प्राणायाम, good thinking, positive writing. हम लोग का एक दोस्त है, कबीर पेस मिशन. मित्तल सर 1965 का आईएएस थे, and he created a mission called Kabir Peace Mission, and he wrote book on positive thinking, positive activity, positive attitude, positive thing, positive health, ऐसे बहुत सारे लिख रहे थे। अनफॉर्चुनेटली इनका दो बच्चे थे मायापति, सुमित एंड अमित और सुमित, दोनों का डेथ हो गया था at age of 15-16. Believe the man who was stimulating the world, his children died of Mahatma. I feel very bad for that family. The point is that we lack spiritual health. हम लोग, how many of you see sunrise? Be honest. One day I get up at every day 4 o'clock, and one day I was reading what is the impact of Brahma Muhurta in human health and mind. When I was going through that, I came back to the website of a girl of South Africa, Cape Town, called Kim Hughes. Kim Hughes has got about millions of followers because she preaches about Indian philosophy to other world and says that you follow Hindi. If you want to be healthy, happy, and have a peaceful life, then follow Hindu philosophy. What a wonderful thing! Why the people do it? I don't know how many of you know Mallory Weiss. What? Mallory Weiss was a professor of psychiatry from Los Angeles University. He was a medical student in 70 and he came to Vellore for 6 months. Vellore was very famous, people know Christian medical Vellore. Then he went 6 months to Rishikesh and stayed in many ashrams. When he went back to Los Angeles, he said that I am a changed human being. I am not same as I came 1 year back because my life and attitude human being has changed. He wrote many books which are bestseller. One Soul, Many Bodies, Life After Death, One Master, many research students. If you go to any airport and see the fiction or classics, you read these books, that how his books are propagated. Very nice. Then what is wrong with us? If the West is looking at us, what is looking at West? So, my tell is that remain healthy and happy. For remain healthy and happy, I have my experience. If you are 70, you take 10 medicines. I do camp for the senior citizen. 2 for diabetes, 2 for blood pressure, 1 for backache, 1 for joint pain, 1 for constipation, 1 for sleep. Okay, sleep we don't talk as a disease, ne? The first center for sleep medicine started in John Hopkins 1952. And they started a degree, MD, sleep medicine, PhD. I don't know how many of you read books on sleeps. Dr. Rajkumar wrote a book on melatonin. You know melatonin? How many of you know? What is the melatonin and its brain development, embryonic development, sleep, physical development, mental functioning. Very good. Read, beautiful book. The question is that we do not do anything which is worth for others. 2002 Human Rights Commission of the world, 2022 Human Rights Commission say in the world that we are the third from below in human consciousness. What is human consciousness? That consciousness of society, consciousness for the religion, consciousness for the others. And they say, if you look at the human right value in India, out of 170 countries, we are 167 below. Only 3 countries below than us is Ethiopia, Afghanistan and Iraq. Then in Pakistan, Bangladesh, which you may hate, they are better than us on human rights. What we have achieved? We have achieved age, we have achieved health, we live longer at cost of medicine. So I was telling him, 70 years you are going to live 10 medicine. 8 years you live 15 medicine. So you are going to use stomach as use the medicine as a food and food as the medicine. What do you want to like? I always say, remain healthy. How remain healthy? Positive thinking. So, if you read Bhagavad Gita, then you will know the philosophy of life. One of the slokas says, Tadidhi pranipatena praniprasnena sevaya upadesyanti te jnanam jnaninam tattvadarsinam. Chapter 2 of Bhagavad Gita, Jnana Yoga. When Arjuna has gone to Visaj Yoga, Bhagavan said Jnana Yoga. आप लोग टीचर है, तत् ही धी, वहां पर ज्ञान है। जहां पर आप प्रणाम करते हैं, पैर छूते हैं, सीखने का कोशिश करते हैं। तदिधि प्रणिपातेन परिप्रश्नेन सेवया। इफ यू प्रोस्टेट और रेस्पेक्ट योर टीचर, इसको रेस्पेक्ट करते हैं, इसका पैर छूते हैं, इस पे ज्ञान के लिए क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, उसका नॉलेज डोंट टेस्ट द नॉलेज ऑफ योर टीचर। आई ऑलवेज से डोंट गो टू प्रशांत महासागर एंड सी द डेप्थ। Your teacher, third grade teacher of a student has much more knowledge than the first grade student of a class. He may be a brilliant student, but he doesn't have experience. Knowledge is not only knowledge. Knowledge is a mixture of theoretical knowledge, practical knowledge, skill knowledge, and social knowledge. You cannot खाली पाठ पढ़ के knowledge acquire नहीं कर सकते. It's not. That is the reason I say, when दत्तात्रेय, I know how many of us know दत्तात्रेय? You know, जानते हो कौन है? कौन था? सत्य युग में एक भगवान का अवतार था, that is दत्तात्रेय। वो आदित्य का लड़का था। तो आदित्य से पूछा, मैं किससे क्या सीखूंगा? What I am going to learn from whom? He says, I can tell you. How can mother tell what the boy is going to learn? He said, go around the world. So Dattatreya moved around the world and came back to mother. He said, mother, you have given right advice. I learned from everything in this world. भ्रमर से क्या सीखा, बी से क्या सीखा, रिवर से क्या सीखा, पेड़ से क्या सीखा, चिंटी से क्या सीखा. Everything you have to learn. What do you learn from Chinti ant? What do you learn? You know that they carry 50 times weight than their weight. You know that a drop like Chinti can carry this much of food. नहीं? What do you learn from farmer? इसका जो स्टिंग है फॉर द वुड, नहीं क्या है इसका स्टिंग में, क्या है? हम तो काट को तोड़ नहीं सकते हमारे हाथ में, वो कैसे काट देता है? तो आई एम टेलिंग, आई थिंक पीपल सॉ 3 Idiots, नहीं? What did Amir Khan said? Knowledge is not in the classroom. Knowledge is all around you. Learn from everybody, every source, every moment. That what is called lifelong learning. So keep your mind positive, keep your eyes open, see, hear everything, do what you think correct. Choice is yours. A beautiful book written by Swami Chidananda. How many believe in Sivananda or Chidananda? No. Chidananda was disciple of Sivananda. Sivananda was a doctor from Madras Medical College who finished his MBBS maybe early 20th century, 1920s or something like that. So he went to Singapore, Malaysia, earned a lot of money. But he was so disappointed, unhappy, कुछ पैसा वो सब छोड़कर साधु बन गए और लेप्रोसी पेशेंट का for the service of leprosy patient he went to Rishikesh and started Divine Life Association of India, दिव्य जीवन ज्योति. तो इनका सर्विस था कि मैं जिंदगी में पैसा कर कुछ नहीं कर सकता, आई कैन ओनली सर्व द पीपल. सो थ्रू सर्विस यू गेट गॉड, थ्रू सर्विस यू आर गेट satisfied that the human being is meant for service. So Swami Chidananda wrote a book called Choice is Yours. The book name is Choice is Yours. आप कैन पढ़ सकते हैं, ज्यादा कॉस्टली नहीं, 50 रुपए का. It is question of attitude of reading books. So that's a chapter 5 say garden of spiritual life. Garden of spiritual life. What do you say? Trust, service, sacrifice, devotion. A person who possesses trust, faith in yourself, faith in other, faith in God, devotion to everything, devotion to work, devotion to society, devotion to family, then sacrifice. What do you sacrifice? हम लोग इतना कंजूस बन गए. I always feel bad for human being. ऐसे भगवान को बेगर बनाना था, इतना बेगर बन. गणेश का मंदिर जाते हैं तो विद्या मांगते हैं, सरस्वती मंदिर जाते हैं लक्ष्मी मंदिर पैसा मांगते हैं. हर टाइम मांगने के है. दुख में सुमिरन सब करे, सुख में ना कर कोई, सुख में सुमिरन करे, दुख किसी को होई. आर यू नॉट बेगर्स? क्या जाकर राजकुमार साहब से क्या मांगते? सर प्रमोशन दे दो, सर चेयर दे दो, मोदी दे दो, लक्ष्मी टेबल दे दो, पैसा दे दो, धन दे दो, चेन दे दो, ऑर्नामेंट दे दो. सरस्वती मंदिर जाता है, अभी 2 तारीख को सरस्वती पूजा है, मुझे विद्या दे, तो क्या विद्या होगा जब हमारा बुद्धि नहीं काम करता है? नहीं। सो जब दुर्गा सप्तशती लगा उर्गा स्तोत्र, इसे देहि सौभाग्य आरोग्यम देहि में परम सुखम रूपम देहि जसन देहि जसो दे, नहीं, मुझे सब कुछ दो, टेक अ माई ईगो, अति दर्पे हता लंका, अति मानेश्च कौरवा, अति दाने बलिर्बद्ध, अति सर्वत्र गरितम। वाई? बलि जैसे अच्छा दानी नहीं था, लंका जैसे स्वर्ण लंका नहीं था, उसको सीता को लेने का क्या जरूरत था? बट रावण न्यू वैदेही हरण रावण वर्णम। Ravan was born in Satyayuga. He survived 1,26,000. You read Ravan's life history. 1,26,000 years he survived. And he got blessing from Shiva that if you kidnap goddess Lakshmi, you will be killed by Ram and go to Swarga. अब चिंता करिए, हम भगवान को दर्शन नहीं पाते हैं, भगवान को हाथ में जो मरता है वो कहाँ, वो लकी नहीं अनलकी? आप कभी जिंदगी भगवान देखा, भगवान से युद्ध किया? तो इट्स फिलोसॉफी लाइफ। इमेजिन बलि, हिरण्यकश्यप, भगवान इसको अपना गोदी में बैठाए, आप लोग बैठाएंगे? बैठाएंगे? नो। सो यू हैव टू हैव फिलोसॉफी ऑफ लाइफ, व्हाट इज गुड, व्हाट इज बैड, व्हाट टू डू, व्हाट टू नॉट टू डू, चॉइस इज योर। सो ट्रस्ट, सर्विस, sacrifice, devotion. If you do that, then nothing better than that. Live healthy, think healthy, eat healthy. International Food Day, 20th April. I talk about health benefit of Lord Jagannath Temple Prasad. Health benefit of Pakhal. What is Pakhal? It has probiotics, it has dahi, it has nimbu, it has cooling effect in the summer, it make you peaceful, it make you sleepy, sleep आराम में। समर में तो इतना हीट होता है, नींद नहीं आएगा, बखल खा लीजिए, दही डाल दीजिए, नींबू डाल दीजिए, प्रोबायोटिक्स है, क्योंकि दैट इज द टाइम व्हेन द गॉट हैज लॉट ऑफ बैक्टीरिया एंड गेट डायरिया, राइट? सो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स वी कैन डिस्कस, बट आई कैन ओनली टेल रिमेन हेल्दी, डोंट टेक मेडिसिन, गुड लाइफ। आई डोंट बिलीव इन लाइफ मेडिसिन। मेरा काम है, मेरा ओपीडी में जो आता है उसको मेडिसिन बंद कर दें। एक 96 ईयर्स का आदमी थे जो भारत का, मैंने बहुत रिटन 50 बुक्स इन उड़िया, Central Sahitya Academy, Odisha Sahitya Academy, he came for me with a lot of problems. I told, what is your problem? We are going to celebrate his death anniversary after 2 days, 31st. I said, what is your problem? He said, a lot of disease. I said, no disease with you. First thing, you are healthy. I am okay. And joint pain and this, well, sir, कुछ नहीं आपका. He is 1952 allied service, first allied service of Odisha. रेलवे में काम कर रहे थे. So I told you, forget the medicine. गेट अप अर्ली मॉर्निंग, टेक नींबू, हल्दी एंड दही ले लीजिए। आप अच्छा खाना खाइए, कम कम खाइए, नो डायबिटीज। डायबिटीज फूड, डोंट टेक राइस, डोंट टेक पोटैटो, डोंट टेक बनाना, डोंट टेक एप्पल। शुगर खाएगा तो आएगा ना, साग खाएंगे। गाय क्या खाता है? राबड़ी खाता है क्या? हाथी क्या खाता है? तो हमको चिकन का क्या जरूरत है? इफ द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट एनिमल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज ईटिंग ग्रास, then why should you have chicken? Why? ग्रास में मिल्क नहीं गया, गाय घास खा के मिल्क कहाँ से? मिल्क में फैट कहाँ आया? कहाँ है? दुर्वासा नाम जानते हैं? दुर्वासा घास खाते थे, दुब जानते हैं? तो दुर्वासा इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग, मेंटली पीसफुल, इतना भगवान का ये थे, तो आप लोगों को इतना खाने का जरूरत है। टेक फूड विच हेल्दी। भगवत गीता चैप्टर 17 talks about healthy food, sattvic, tamasic, rajasic food. What is sattvic food? Which will give you vitality, constructivity, creativity, peaceful mind, make you arogya and make you longevity, long. Read at least the food ना, और कुछ नहीं पढ़ो। ज्ञान जो नहीं चाहिए, कर्म, हम कर्म चाहिए, ज्ञान नहीं चाहिए, कम से कम बचने का तरीका तो चाहिए। फूड तो क्या खाना, जंक क्यों खा रहे हो? पिज्जा बर्गर मत खाओ ना। मैं एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ कि मदर को लड़का बोलते हैं, मामी काल मुझे सुषम खाद्य बैलेंस फूड ऊपर लेक्चर देना है, इससे लिखना है। मम्मी कल तुम पढ़ा देता हूँ, लिखो ऐसे। जब टाइम 9 बज जाता है, बच्चा भूख लगता है, बोलते पिज्जा खरीद ऑर्डर कर देते। मम्मी के पास टाइम नहीं है, बच्चा को पाठ पढ़ाया, सुषम खाद्य, लास्ट में बर्गर पिज्जा मंगाए, तो बच्चा क्या सीखेगा? क्या सीखेगा? तो वी शुड बी प्रैक्टिकल। इसलिए हिपोक्रेट नहीं बनी। आई वॉज टेलिंग हिपोक्रेट्स, व्हाट इज हिपोक्रेसी? डिल्यूडेड इंटेलिजेंस। You know what भगवान टेक्स्ट इन गीता? As the embryo is covered by amnion, so also our knowledge is covered by our ego. As you cannot see the fire because smoke is covering fire, as you cannot see the embryo because the amnion is covering you, so also your knowledge is covered by your ego. Your knowledge is not going to work fully if your ego is overacting your intelligence. So वो बोलते हैं इंदिराणा परो बुद्धि, इंदिराणा परो मनः, मनो परो ईगो। बहुत बढ़िया भगवत गीता है। थैंक यू वेरी मच। और नहीं बोल रहा।